Welcome lovely people to this channel. We're having a tutorial from a recreation of a beautiful Meghan Markle's fascinator design. Our materials needed include the base, glue, veil, pearls or stones, hair clip, scissors, thread needle, fascinator wire. So I have my base, okay, molded with an Ankara or African print material. Alright, so when molding this, I actually put a felt material in the middle to make it look heavier. Okay, so what I'm doing now is to put a fascinator wire into it so that it becomes strong. So we apply our glue to it and press to make it hold firmly. I literally use the pin, office pin, to hold it, okay, so that it don't come out or remove. Because you added a stiffener to this, the material has become so hard, so you have to do this so carefully so that you don't hurt yourself. Okay, carefully, gently pin it all around to the end so that it could look very nice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel while enjoying this video. Hit the notification button so you could get messages of our new videos. Okay, you can like as well as comment, okay, and suggest whatever you want on this channel. We are done pinning it all around. I think this looks nice. Yeah, so I think it will be better if we use our sewing machine to sew it all around, but since we don't have the glue, it's okay. But then we have to cover all that part showing, so I decided to use the bias to cover to make it neat. Since I'm recreating from an inspiration, I decided to cover just a part with a veil. I held it with this pin, okay, so that it could stand. You can double the net. All right, so what I'm doing now is to sew the net together so that I can glue and attach it to the base. After sewing and attaching or gluing it inside the base, I decided to embellish the other side of the base, okay, with the stone pearls, however you want to decorate it. All right, so I have 4 pieces of this each. I'll add together just to get the design I prefer. So do it as you want, just to make it look so nice. Hey, I'm done. Done. So we have the remaining of our net to form a bow. This is about 22 inches. All right, you can add 2 or 3 pieces of this if you want more of the net. Okay, we are forming a bow from the net, so you get a piece of thread to tie it up just as to get a bow. I just decided to embellish the middle with the rhino stone, okay, so that it could look better. We are almost done. I think it would have been better if I had used an orange veil. Yes, that's the net, but this is what is available. You can give me a view of your thoughts at the comment section. Yeah, I think that would be better. So I covered the part with the net where I sew the net with a piece of fabric, okay, and then attached my fascinator pin to it. So our fascinator is ready, as you can see. I hope you try this. I'm sure you would love it. Yes, we have it now. Thanks for watching.